Hi, today we're going to review this Jobon lighter. Coming with a nice gift box. Mother box. Okay, there's a cleaning paper. Jobon user guide. Okay, that's the lighter. Right. Okay, let's look. Take a clear look. Okay, this hole, the first one you change the flame, second one you change the fire, the flame level. This one is switchable. One you put on the top is a torch lighter. You will switch, it's a soft regular flame. You see there's two holes. This one's torch, this one's regular soft. Torch here, soft flame here. So this one's multi-function. Okay, let's measure. 2.5, 1.25, 0.5, and put on the scale. 76 grams. It's a little bit heavy. Give you the solid feel. Let's look one more time. Very nice looking lighter. Torch. Thank you for watching.